Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last video, I discussed about the dictionary and what are the use of dictionary and what are the probable interview questions of dictionary. So today I will discuss about the list comprehension. If you have not watched my previous video, please do watch. I have already put the link in my description box. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So let's start the list comprehension. So what is list comprehension? List comprehension is something like it provides a short syntax for creating a new list based on the values of an existing value, and we can create a list, and with a with a single line of code we can write a list. We can convert a list. Suppose for example, if you want to extract all the even numbers or odd numbers from a list, so in case of normal for loop it will take much more time, as well as it will take a lot of code like 3 4 or 5 lines of code. But in case of list comprehension we can write it in a single line of code. So let's see, let's take an example. Like, let's take a list of numbers. Numbers equal to, let's take a number 12 34 56 78 45 63. Yeah, these are the numbers. So I just need to find out, let's take, like, let me extract all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So for that, what I need to do, I will iterate over this list, like for item in nums. Then I can put a condition: if item percentage of 3 equal to 0, then I can append all the extracted items into a list. Let me create another list, like divisible by 3 is a blank list, and I can append all the items those are divisible by 3 into this new list. So let's see, div underscore 3 dot append then item. Then I can print this div underscore 3. So this is what, like here, this is the line of code. Like here, if you'll see, we are able to extract the numbers which are divisible by 3, like 12 78 45 63. All these are the divisible by 3. But if you'll notice here, like we are writing this 1 2 3 4 5 lines of code here to print all these things. But we can write all these into a single line of code using list comprehension. So let's see how we will be able to achieve it using a single line of code. So for that, what we can do is we can create a square bracket, and inside that I can write for item in numbers. Then if item percentage of 3 equal to 0, then I can print all the items. Then let's see. Yeah, so you will see here the same line. In a single line of code I am able to extract all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So this is nothing but the list comprehension, and it is much more memory efficient. Like if here we are writing 4 lines of code, but here only a single line of code, we are able to fetch all the things. The next thing is, suppose if you want to extract, like if here we have used only if statement. Suppose if you want to add the else statement as well, so what can I do? How can we write that one? So let's write like item, then if item percentage of 3 equal to 0, then else. Suppose if the number is not divisible by 3, then I just wanted to print it as a 0. Okay, so then for item in numbers, yeah. So you will see here what the number which are not divisible by 3, that is replaced by 0, and apart from that everything is replaced like that. So this is how we can use the list comprehension for printing a number, for extracting the number, and within a single line of code. Similarly, suppose if we have a dictionary, suppose if you want to represent in the form of key and value pair. So similarly we can use the dictionary comprehension. And let me give an example. What is the dictionary? How can you use it? Suppose if we take a dictionary, dictionary equal to, let's take a, then 34, then B67, let's take C 98. Yeah, these three let's take. So suppose I want to just swap the key and values in the dictionary, like in this format, like 34 will be the key and A will be the value, 67 will be the key and B will be the value. So for that I have to write in the normal simple code, I have to write a lot of codes like 7, 8 or 10 line of code. But here using like dictionary comprehension, we can use a single line of code to run to reverse all these reverse the dictionary. And let's see how it works. Suppose for uh, I comma j in dict dot items. Suppose it will, I will extract all the keys and j will extract all the values. Then I can do it j colon I, then this will give the all the list comprehension. Like if you'll see here, I have declared a list A 34, B 67 and C 98. But if you'll see here, in this code I have reversed the dictionary, like 34 is the key and A is the value. So this is, if you'll see that this is just simple, like only a single line of code I am able to use it. So which is very much useful whenever you are writing a long course, like suppose you are writing 1,000 line of code. At that point of time, these things if you will keep in mind, so it will not only it will reduce the number of lines of code, it will also very much faster. It will compare using the normal for loop, because iterator are very much faster, it has the o(n) square, that complexity. But if you use this list comprehension and different dictionary comprehension, it works much more faster. So this is the, these are the difference, like what are the uses of list comprehension as well as dictionary comprehension. So thank you for watching.